Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add users in Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, we're just to go in to simply follow the support article of Microsoft. And basically here, we are going to learn on how exactly you can be able to start adding more users to your uh, plan or to your enterprise. So basically, all you will be needing to do first is to log in into your admin center. That means you will be needing already to have like the admin role for your company or enterprise or business. And after that, you will find in your organization of the dashboard, like you will find the user panel or the user menu. So from there, you will find this add user. And basically from there, you will be able to start adding like the information concerning the user. So basically, we'll add the name, email, etc. And basically, you will be able to add up to 5 email addresses to send the new sign-in information to the user. After that, you can like select by license and add user so you can get a license for this user to be used. Otherwise, if you have some license, you will be able to add this user. So as you can see, after you add user, you will receive an email with the person user ID and password so they can be able to log in to the enterprise or to their account. And after that, you will be able to start like setting up all the other or additional settings concerning this user. And as you can see, you can also like share with Microsoft, add some guide or provide you with a guide so you can be able to share it with the user so they can learn how to download and install Office and also how to set up their Microsoft apps on their local computer, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.